Greedy ice cream seller. There was an ice cream seller named Suresh who used to sell ice cream door to door in Manangarh.
Ice creams! Hey, here is the ice cream with orange chocolate flavor. Rich creamy ice creams! Ice creams! Ice creams!
Customers would run to him after hearing Suresh's voice. Not only the kids, even grown-ups would run to him. Uncle, I want orange ice cream.
Give me one kulfi. Only kulfi. Yes, uncle. Here is your kulfi.
Suresh could sell all his ice creams very easily. Suresh was making these ice creams on his own at home. Looking at the customers of Suresh, once a shopkeeper thought of selling better ice creams than Suresh.
Suresh is selling his ice creams effortlessly. I should bring ice cream from market so I can get good profits. It seems villagers love the ice cream.
And thinking of this, he started to keep ice creams in his refrigerator. He was expecting really good sale of it, but that didn't happen. He could manage to sell hardly one or two ice creams in the entire day.
Why is this so? Only 2 ice creams are sold. But whenever Suresh comes with ice creams, it's always crowded. Perhaps I'll be able to sell my ice creams if I put up a board saying that ice creams are available for sale.
Next day, Ramesh put up a board outside his shop.
Now let's see.
He waited long enough, but nobody turned up to his shop for ice cream. But the moment Suresh came, kid would rush to his shop for ice creams.
Ice cream, orange chocolate, rich creamy ice creams.
I want mango ice cream. I want malai.
Yes, I will give you all your favorite ones.
This went on for days. Ramesh could just watch the rush at Suresh's stall.
I really don't know what is so special. God knows. No one even bothers to buy my ice creams. Ice creams, come, here is your ice cream, malai, chocolate ice creams.
I want chocolate ice cream. Ramesh was getting jealous just watching Suresh selling all his ice creams. But he couldn't do anything. He was helpless. One day, while making ice creams, Suresh thought,
I sell all my ice creams just about in an hour. I should prepare some more now.
That day he doubled the quantity. As soon as Suresh went to sell the ice creams,
Ice creams, orange malai chocolate.
I want vanilla ice cream. I want 2 chocolate ice creams, uncle.
Today everybody will get the ice cream. I have double the ice cream quantity.
As usual, his stall was crowded and soon all ice creams were sold. While he was returning back home, Ramesh stopped him.
Hey, brother Suresh. Yes, tell me. You always manage to sell all your ice creams. But look at me, I can barely sell 1 or 2. Now people love the flavor of my ice cream, then what can I do? That's true, brother. Your ice cream is really delicious. But if you listen to me, then you will also get some more profit. And even I will earn some more money. Tell me what? If you keep my ice creams in your stall and sell it, then people will easily buy them. And whatever profit we earn, we will share it 50-50.
Suresh started to think about this offer.
There is nothing wrong in doing so. Besides, I will make some good money. And I will be free of burden from making so many ice creams. Alright, give it to me. I will sell all your ice creams right away.
Ramesh kept all the ice creams in Suresh's box and Suresh went to sell them. He went to the other side of the village. After hearing his voice, people came to him. 2 mango ice creams.
Yes, take this.
Suresh sold all ice creams in no time. Suresh was very happy. Then he came back to Ramesh's shop.
See, I have sold all the ice creams. So quickly? It's very easy for me. As soon as they hear me screaming, not only kids, but grandparents come too. Yes, that's absolutely true.
And then they divided the profit and Suresh went back to his home. At night, when Suresh was asleep, somebody was knocking his door loudly. Suresh opened the door to see the villagers and inspector waiting outside.
What happened? You sell poisonous ice creams. 2 kids are admitted in hospital because of you. What? We found chemicals in the ice cream you sold today. Villagers were eating the ice cream because they trusted you. But you cheated them by selling them adulterated ice creams.
Then Suresh recalled that he sold Ramesh's ice creams that day. Maybe they were poisonous. Suresh confessed everything to the inspector. Now Suresh and Ramesh were both in police custody and in the jail.
I was selling my ice creams honestly, but this little greed has ruined my life.
So they say, greed never pays. You should stay away from greed.